Welcome. In this video I will show you how to learn words you looked up using Vocabulary Builder on your Kindle. To activate the Vocabulary Builder feature on your Kindle, you have to open a book, then tap at the top of it, select AA icon, then go to More tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the More tab. Here you can enable Vocabulary Builder by switching the toggle on next to it. Now, if you want to access the Vocabulary Builder menu with the word cards that you previously looked up, you're gonna have to highlight a word. The dictionary will open up. Now, if you tap the three-dot icon right here and select Open Dictionary, you'll be able to open up the Vocabulary Builder by tapping the three-dot icon in the top right corner and selecting Vocabulary Builder, and here you'll see the cards of the words that you previously highlighted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.